That's not where the devil is. The devil had one ability in heaven, and that was to make music. But because of his ability to make music, he got beside himself because he began to see how music could manipulate the emotions of the heavenly beings. Music could make them happy, sad. Music has the ability to change an environment. I could get on the organ right now. I'm a musician. I could play I'll Fly Away. And a lot of y'all will break out crying because it reminds you of somebody's funeral. But I can get on there and play and some of y'all are just jump up and... That's because the enemy realized, hey, I got the power to control these beings. So all the beings that were deceived by him and him himself was cast out of heaven. But this is the part that a lot of us missed. He was cast out of heaven as Lucifer. His name became Satan because he was no longer a heavenly being. But nothing about him changed. God said there is nowhere written in the scripture that his assignment or his job or his purpose or what I gave him ever changed. He's still a musician.